Fucking Ryan's loud ass exhaust.
The baffles did come in, I just didn't put them in yet.
Dick.
Dude, there's so many bikes out today.
I wonder why.
Gee.
I mean, it's
Yeah.
you know,
All going to the same spot.
spring. Ew, that bitch is ugly.
Oh, she's bad as fuck.
Frijoles and frescas. That place sucks.
So expensive. Fuck that place.
$5 taco.
Oh, we should turn left.
Why would you do such a thing?
Yeah, never mind. I'm not gonna pull a Pat.
Dude, we lost like 4 people because of that shit.
Renegade!
You know, they're ready for the fucking...
For the
Raiders
fucking?
to come.
They're ready for the
Raiders.
fucking?
The fucking... the exhaust fucking.
He's ready.
Ready.
He's ready.
He's ready.
There you go.
It's nice, bro.
Yeah.
You guys!
Hey, who's the odd one out right now? The only one without a kev tech? Oh, Sean.
Oh, that sucks.
Oh, the only one that can wheelie?
What you talking about?
Oh, the one that
Oh.
What you talking about, bro?
Oh. Hey, if you don't crash, you're not trying hard enough.
Yeah. You haven't looped yet, bro.
Shit.
You haven't got high enough yet because you haven't looped it.
They're coming around.
Yeah,
I've got high enough 3 times.
I fucking 6 p.m. that bitch, bro.
I went to 3 o'clock. That's where you're laying on the ground in pain. Kill switch.
Oh, you fucking ass!
You got him! Sean's gonna fucking get sucked up into his wheel and lose a nut.
What the fuck?
Man, that fucking hurt, dude.
Yeah?
Yeah, my fucking balls stretched. Ugh.
That's scary. Every time I do that, my front wheel skids.
Yeah, do you need a new tires?
Fucking Ryan. Pee-Pee's Tacos.
Where are we going? Still going straight?
Yes. Push it, go, 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 go! Nah, he did it too. What the fuck? Fuck yeah, bitch!
Look with the fucking eyes! Look with the eyes!
I slapped the fuck out of that mirror.
Did you? Why?
Second time this week.
Because they came right in front of me.
That wasn't right in front of you. You still had time, bitch. Pussy. I think once I hit the 95, I'm gonna turn back.
Oh!
Ooh! That was fucking sexy! I think. I don't know. I didn't see it.
That was pretty decent.
You were behind me with a camera.
Yeah. Wait, am I
Yeah.
recording? Oh, yeah, I'm
Camera,
recording.
I guess
Would
I'll
you look
turn
at
mine
that?
on.
Mine's rolling now too. This one though. It was just
Oh.
easier. Plus,
dude,
this one picks up everything.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, my hand hurts a little bit.
That sucks.
Toast.
You like melted that rubber shit in the corner. Like a line up your wheel. That's hilarious.
Oh shit.
It's a distinct darker spot on your tire now.
That's grip, bro. If I could burn out my front wheel, I would, and then I could do better stoppies.
Damn. I feel like I'm forgetting something.
You are. Oh, dude, you did not forget that.
You did forget it.
You forgot it?
You forgot it.
What is it? Pretending that I'm going like 65 when I'm really only going like 54.
58. 63.
I'm going 67.
Sean, scoot over, goddammit. I'm at 60 now.
For why?
You're at 70. 58.
Fuck this guy. Get some.
Hey, guess what? Hey, guess what? Right here is where I got my reckless driving. Right there. I got my reckless driving right there. Alright. I'm going up Sahara.
Are you out?
Yeah.
I'm gonna turn around.
Hey, what are we doing?
I'm
You guys
leaving.
leaving?
Sean's leaving. We're all
You
leaving.
too, LJ?
Yeah. I don't want to get too far. I live way the fuck back there.
I'm going up Sahara.
What the fuck are you doing?
I'm coming to say fucking bye!
Move his bike. Tip it over.
Alright. Hey.
Bye, Josh.
Bye, Josh. Bye, Ryan. Hi,
Later.
people in the van. I know you're looking at us. Hi. Hi. You can wave back. I'm gonna keep waving till you wave back.
I should wave on this side, too.
Just wave back. Just wave back. Yay! They waved to you. That's not fair. Why didn't they wave to you first?
They're all around you.
That's not fair. I was waving first.
Hey, LJ!
Yeah.
Fuck you. Fuck you, LJ.
I can see you.
Bye, LJ.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Later. Like the Teletubbies. Bye-bye.
Bye. 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 And it's static. And they're gone. Alright guys, well, short video, but if you liked it, don't forget to hit link at the bottom to like and subscribe. And hopefully I can make some more videos sometime soon. I'm just lazy and learning video editing, so peace.